Kids' most favorite palmier cookies. Prepared in air fryer. Crunchy and very tasty. Take a puff sheet. Take out sheet from the packet. 1 cup sugar in a bowl. Add pinch of salt. Add pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix well. Spread this on smooth surface. Roll the pastry sheet. Spread sugar on this surface as well. Fold it like this. Cut it into equal parts. Preheat air fryer. Place parchment paper. Place it like this. Set for 15 minutes at 180 degrees C. Check after 6 to 7 minutes. After approx 8 minutes, flip it. Once golden brown, take this out. Crunchy and super delicious palmier cookies ready. Isn't this the most favorite cookies for kids?